met with the insurance company here at this loss. He did not see the damages the way we saw the damages. We requested an appraisal. They conceded to some of the damages. They really should pay for everything that happened in this loss. All right. In this kitchen, we had these old cabinets, about 60 years old. They were nailed to the walls here to get to the framing that was burned and to actually do the electrical work. We had to remove these cabinets, and these cabinets, they're here in this room. Unfortunately, they just fell apart. That's an issue. It happens with the older homes. The insurance companies know this. They don't really want to admit that they want to pay for the kitchen, because if they pay for these, they have to pay for the lower ones also, because it must match. That's the name of the game. Give us a call and we can help you through your claim. Do you really know what you're buying? Does it really protect you? Do you have a team behind you after a loss? We're your first call to your insurance company.